Today is September 9, 2022, and I am Tony the Bull, back with another technical analysis update for News BTC. For today's analysis, I wanted to take a look at the Pi Cycle Bottom Indicator and the Pi Cycle Top Indicator in Bitcoin, considering the large 10% move from lows we saw over the last 48 hours or so. The bottom Pi Cycle Indicator fired back in July, but price action retested lows for a second time. Looking back across history, it is visually clear that the tool has been fairly precise in its top and bottom signals. For further reassurance, let's turn to more commonly used indicators like the Relative Strength Index and the LMACD. As a reminder, the LMACD is the logarithmic version of the MACD that allows for better comparison from cycle to cycle. Bearish momentum ran out of steam at the exact same point in the past two market cycles on weekly time frames, which just so happened to coincide closely with the Pi Cycle Bottom Indicator firing. RSI also reached oversold levels both previous instances. Layering in some cyclical tools, we have what appears to be a pattern. Bottoming here would also make sense considering how past bottoms connected. The trend lines get less and less steep over time as price action follows across the logarithmic growth curve. I also wanted to touch on a recent tweet I made to John Bollinger, the creator of the Bollinger Bands. Mr. Bollinger has confirmed my suspicions about BTC many times in the past and taught me certain signals to look for via his public tweets. I noticed that the Bollinger Bands were behaving as similar setups, with the most recent being the bottom at 29K the first time, before it ultimately broke down after it was revisited this year. I specifically asked about what I thought would be a head fake in BTCUSD. However, Mr. Bollinger called attention to the lack of a squeeze. However, I still feel there are enough similarities to another setup where he called out a head fake that I will continue to be cautious in case the current lows are swept yet again. A head fake results in a powerful move to the upper band, usually with enough strength to close outside the upper band and push higher. In the October 2019 example, Bitcoin climbed more than 40% in under 72 hours. A similar move would take BTCUSD to 26K by Monday. That's it for today's analysis. I'm Tony the Bull Spilotro signing off. Self-education is the best investment you can make. Remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and check out newsbtc.com.